County in north-central Illinois until 1 a.m. At 7:58 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area earlier this evening, with additional thunderstorms expected to persist through much of the evening. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Belvedere, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, New Milford, Garden Prairie, and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around, don't drown by the gauges. Impact, residents flood deaths, current vehicles. Underpasses, some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Belvedere, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, New Milford, Garden Prairie, and Seward. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.